Hey there, if you're looking to build a website for your fish and chips takeaway, then you're certainly in the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that on the Mighty Sites platform. Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Now, once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my markets, fish and chips takeaway. There it is over there. Now I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Awesome. Let's go ahead and tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our fish and chips takeaway so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region as well. And it doesn't matter where in the world your takeaway is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. For this one, I'm going to leave it as restaurants and go ahead and click on continue and let multi site work its magic and create a simple website for my small business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free to use and they look absolutely delicious. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own amazing images of all the delicious meals you're serving up and you want to showcase it on your Mighty Sites website. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content and add your menu. You can do that. It's super simple. So today that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking you through each section quickly just to give you a brief overview of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you either. So let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address. Let's make sure that box is ticked underneath to display our email address on our website. I'm now going to go ahead and pop our phone number in, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my street address, my physical location. And the great thing about that address, when your website is live and your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions. Let's head on over to social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Let's go ahead and update our logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to crop it to fit into the section a little bit better, add filters, frames, decorate it, zoom in, for example, go ahead and click on the little pencil over the logo. Once it's been uploaded, you can make it bigger and smaller on the right over here. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. If you want to change it to go with your branding a little bit better, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner. No color coding needed. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There are plenty to choose from. I still really like the one that's already selected, so I'm just going to go ahead and save that one. Now, for each section that you want to update, go ahead and click on Update Section and update the content to suit your business needs. Button currently says Order Online, but maybe you don't even offer an online ordering system. Go ahead and click on Choose Link. You can link to another website if you do offer online ordering system, or an action like click to call, directions, or a PDF file, which is a great option to upload your menu for your business over here. I know I'm not the only one that likes to take a look at menus for restaurants before I even go to the place just to pre-decide what I want to order. So this is for those people out there. Shout out to you. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on update image. You can browse your device and upload some of your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. You can play around with keywords a little bit to find suitable images. So I'm going to go ahead and just search for fish and chips. You can have a look at the different photos available for you to use, lots of suitable ones here. Awesome. Look at that. Everything's coming together so wonderfully. Over here, an update section is where you can put your trading hours that your business is open in. They will be displayed in this section once you have popped them in there. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet for your business and you really want one to make your website look even more professional, go ahead and click on I want a new domain, because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your fish and chips takeaway. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.